All right, what you're looking at here are actual commissions made by the members of my community. So you might be wondering, what the heck am I talking about here? These are actual members who made 80,000, 35,000, 24,000, 23,000, 20,000 in commissions for the past 30 days. And they're not working for me. They own their own business. They came through my program because they wanted to have financial freedom, they wanted to have time freedom, they wanted to have location freedom and be able to run a business from home. And I have more proof that I'm going to go through, but at this point, you're probably wondering why you're seeing this. You're probably seeing this because at some point you showed some level of interest on working from home or running your own business, or maybe you have a job right now that's really not satisfying. You're not really passionate about clocking in and out, or maybe you're getting to that point in your life that you have a family and you want to be able to spend more time. But when you go online and look for businesses to start, what you're going to come across is madness, right? You're going to see a ton of stuff that might be legit, might not be legit, and it might be a multi-level marketing opportunity. And I'm not against it, but it's going to ask you to call your neighbors and friends and family, and you might see some online opportunity where you're going to buy a garage full of stuff to sell, or you might have to do some Amazon business and put some ads and sell some stuff from China. So all of them are different types of opportunities, and what you're seeing here is an actual business that doesn't require for you to buy inventory. It doesn't require for you to buy products. It doesn't require for you to go knock on doors or telemarket. Is this a get-rich-quick scheme? No, not at all. This is an actual business that you can start from home and talk to other businesses and have the leads, people interested in your services, come to you and pretty much buy from you. I do have a free training below this link, and you can click on it. But before that, I wanted to obviously grab your attention because I have limited time before you skip, and wanted to share this opportunity and prove to you that this is actual real business. And I'm going to show you a couple of other proof. Another member made $5,500 in commissions. These are like the checks that are being cut out to the members from some commissions from the affiliate work that we have partnerships with that get paid. So what the business is, actually, you're being a business loan broker. You're offering small businesses to get funding outside of the banks, because as you know, the banking industry has changed quite a bit. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Actually, I can just go through a couple of seconds. Another member made $20,000 here. Another member, she quit her job, and after 2 months, she closed a small deal here. And this is probably not making any sense for you right now, but just showing you the actual numbers that come from my private Facebook group, okay? And these are the actual interviews with my students who have success in this type of business. Now, since I got that out of the way, and if you're still here, I managed to grab your attention, let me tell you a little bit about the business. What the business type I'm talking about is providing business loans to small businesses, business advances to small businesses. No, you're not going to be funding, you're not going to be offering your own money to businesses. You're going to be pretty much matching a small business owner who needs money. Well, more than 75% of them need funding for their business to a private lender, and you're going to make a ton of commission in between. And we're going to teach you how to do that business. So there is a link below that you can, I put together like a free, 100% free, no gimmicks training on how that business exactly works. You can click on the link below to go through that, so you can actually see the business model, understand it, understand ups and downs, see that this is a real business. This is not get rich quick. You're not going to be rich tomorrow. This requires for you to put time into it, but it shows a ton of shortcuts that you can still do this while you're doing whatever you're doing. You're probably busy in your personal life right now. You might be running a business. You might be retired or looking for something. Maybe you have kids that you have to attend to. Maybe you're just finishing school. Like, that doesn't matter. As you can see from the people who've done this, they come from all walks of lives and from different skill sets, different age groups, and different locations and things like that. So it does apply, but I want you to decide if this is the right vehicle for you to get to where you want to get to in life, all right? Because if you do not have certain levels of freedom in certain areas, life can become pretty miserable, right? The first thing is, if you do not have your time freedom, you have to be at a specific location between certain hours every single day, and you have no control over that. you're not going to be happy. You don't have money freedom. By freedom, I don't mean that you have enough money to buy a plane, but at least minimum enough to cover your basics, have a roof over your head, but don't have to kill yourself to get to that level. Then you can talk about wealth building and things like that, but we always need that primal level of survival, if you will, without just sacrificing too much, right? So that's the money freedom that I'm talking about. And location freedom. Wouldn't it be nice that you're not stuck to a certain location, that you can move to a different place, maybe travel more or work from home? You don't have to commute 2 hours to job back and forth and things like that. When you have those three freedoms, granted that you have your health, because health is the most important thing, you are usually in pretty good shape, right? So this program talks about how this is actually possible with this type of business model. And goods and bads and things like that. So for you to decide on your own, so you'll be able to watch that and decide. So you have nothing to lose. If the worst thing is, hopefully, based on what I'm hearing from more than 500,000 people who watch this, they've learned at least one thing. So I'm yet to have someone who told me that was a total waste of time. The only commitment I'm asking from you is about 40 minutes of your time to register below so you can watch this and you can check out if this is the right fit for you. All right, so looking forward to you on the other side. Bye-bye.